And of course I'm spoiling and it's raining even harder. Hello everybody, I'm Dave, and from my back garden I'll be making delicious food that everybody can make. Let me show you around. This is Dinner with Dave. Hello everybody, I'm Dave from Dinner with Dave, and you'll probably be thinking, what the hell are you doing? It's raining really hard, it's already dark, and you're making a video. Yes, that's true. I told my wife I want to smoke some chicken and I want to make some spare ribs, and I wanted to do it in the upcoming week, but she was like, yeah, but then you need to get them into the salt so they can tender up. I was like, yeah, I can do it tomorrow, but she was like, no, if you want to do it now, because it takes a couple of days to nicely tender the meat. And I was like, yeah, you're right. So I went out, it's raining, I'm here, and let me show you how to do it, because it's a simple formula. It's also kind of a teaser, so you know I will smoke some chicken, and you know I'm gonna make some really nice spare ribs. So let me get you into the salting experience. 50 grams of salt every liter of water. I got myself some really nice chicken. So there I go. Now open up the spare ribs, and this is a pretty easy way to do it. Just roll them. They got bones on there, and in the meanwhile it's raining even harder. I'm gonna try to put it in here. And of course I'm spoiling and it's raining even harder. Holy moly. And now I can hear you think, Dave, but what about other spices? Yes, that's the thing. I don't need other spices. The chicken will be smoked, so the nice smoking flavors will turn into this chicken. And for the spare ribs, soon you'll be seeing why I don't need extra spices into my spare ribs, into the salty water of my spare ribs. It's mainly gonna be because I'm using a rub. I'm gonna use the rub that I made for you guys. You can find the link up there. So that's it for now, in the rain, in the darkness. This was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And soon you'll be seeing these dishes. Bye bye.